What happened to this world? Everyone is so focused on filming everything. In which direction are we moving now? The day might come when you'll be involved in an accident and people nearby will want to film you to capture the dramatic moment rather than coming to help. Is humanity still alive in 2021? Or have we changed to become passive witnesses, motivated only by capturing tragedy and drama on camera? Your social media post is more likely to go viral on social media if you have to capture someone's accident or death on camera. This is the reality of today's situation. People often try to deny this, saying humanity does exist after watching a couple of humanitarian videos on the internet. But they ignore millions of incidents that happen beyond the camera, the disasters and tragedies taking place every day in the real world. So it's not wrong to say that today humanity is totally focused on the cameras we carry with us. It's all about getting fame, making a name for yourself and making money. Basically, the real world is being reduced to what you see on the internet, not in real life. Why is this happening? Let's get to its core. Time is ticking. Time is becoming more precious. We are always in a rush or under pressure. And the needs and demands are increasing. We're expected to be constantly productive. We're becoming increasingly materialistic and focused on status. The workers want to become managers. The managers want to become executives. Everyone wants a more expensive car or the latest phone. Millionaires yearn to become billionaires, and yet people want to work less and have more days off. There was a time when people were more social and caring. They chatted to their neighbours, helped those in need, cared for the sick and elderly, lent money to those going through hard times. When someone had an accident, they rushed to help. They protected each other from danger. But the world has changed. Technology has changed. So has the meaning of humanity. Today, people feel more independent with all the latest technology and facilities. There's no need for other people's help. People have become more solitary, just like our earliest ancestors did in the primitive age. Basically, we shy away from our neighbours. We prefer not to know them or to get involved in their lives. Nor do we want them to interfere in ours. We have closed ourselves in, created boundaries around us, not speaking to anyone beyond our own four walls. But does humanity or being humane mean just helping each other so that we can get back help when needed? Or is it much more than that? Life is full of surprises. Out of the blue, situations arise in which we desperately need help from a stranger. If we keep neglecting humanity, things will get even worse in the future. Someone's life is much more valuable than pure entertainment. People's lives matter. Humanity is much more than making money and getting famous on social media. It should come from the heart. If we want to have a better future for human beings, then we need to keep humanity alive. One person can save one life. One voice can save thousands of lives. One act of humanity can save the whole human race.